Okay, here we go. Well, this project started 2 years ago when I first bought the car. Well, when I was first told about the car. So this is the car that I am going to keep, hopefully. It's a very special 34. It's really rare. It might not look like it. It might look like a banana. But the EV1 yellow, there are less made of this color than the midnight purples, than the millennium jades. This one is less. So in that aspect, it's pretty rare. The car alone has only 30,000 kilometers. That's about 15,000 miles. Not one speck of rust anywhere on this car. This car truly is a barn find. Shane found this car, I don't know where he found it. He found it covered in dust, sitting in some guy's garage. And we made him an offer 2 years ago, and he took it. Now it's mine. So, I'll show you guys what that looks like. I'm super pressed for time. I'm trying to head down to Aaron's, to meet Aaron at the pier. I may only have time to go and look at it through the fence. That's about it. I don't know. We'll see how time goes. If anything, I'll have to go back to Aaron's shop to look at the car and take delivery, or I don't even know. Time-wise, it's such a hectic rush. Now this car, in anticipation of keeping it, I decided to go out on a limb, spend some money. I have a partial GTR conversion. Just the front bumper, the side skirts, and the rear bumper, and the hood, and the wing. Everything except for the quarters. I'm gonna leave the rear quarters stock. And I'll go over all that later, why I'm doing that. But that's just a decision that I made. I don't need a GTR. It would be nice to have one, but the prices are just too ridiculous. Even back when I first bought these cars a couple years ago, they were still in about 100,000, 125,000 for a decent running ones. So I decided just to get a GTT. Plus that, I have my R35 and pretty damn happy with that, I can tell you that much. So, let's go down, meet Aaron at the pier. Oh yeah, anyway, I have another container coming with the last 34, another rare one. The red, I forgot the color code, but it's supposed to be pretty rare too. I decided to put the red 34 in a container. Along with, in that container is a very, very special body kit, like I was saying. It's not one of these cheap China ones. It's not one of these generic ones. It's a little higher grade than the Urus, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Urus, whatever. It's a one guy, there's just one guy that produces these kits. And because of that, he is building it in the old Japanese tradition way, where they take so much pride, so much effort into every little detail and thing that they do. Freedom Design. So throughout this whole build, I will reference Freedom Design and all the work that he does. It's crazy. I'll see if I can put some pictures of him actually producing the kit. I'll try to scatter the pictures throughout. He's been sending pictures to me. It's damn awesome. Okay, enough talking. Time to get down to the pier, meet Aaron, and see if I have time to take delivery. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, we are here at the port. I see something behind the trees over there. Let's see if we can see it. Can I zoom in on it? Can I zoom in? No, I have to turn the camera around. Damn it, hang on. Check this thing out. What the heck? Oh my God, what in the world is this? All right, well, you guys saw that little teaser? Damn. That was a little teaser. What is today? I can't even think right now. Today is Monday-ish. I will probably take delivery of the car Thursday or Friday. I just have too many things to do. There's no way I can take delivery of it now. So I will have to make a whole new video for that car. It is crazy. I haven't seen one in better condition that is as clean as this one. All right, I gotta drive. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning. 7 o'clock in the morning. I had to take off of work today. I have a ton of things, really a ton. I don't even know where to start. This video took about a week or two to make. There was just so much going on. I could not do everything in 1 week. I had to put Aaron on hold. Sorry, Aaron. Anyway, time to get going. Today is the day I take delivery of my EV1 yellow Nissan R34 Skyline. All right, let's go get it. All right, I'm here at Aaron's shop. I'll give you a little peek outside of my window. Let's go take a look, see what he has. All right. Well, I need to find Aaron first and talk to him. Then I'll videotape the car. Sneak peek. Alright, wouldn't you know it, the damn battery in the GoPro is dead. But I love coming to Aaron's shop, and he is selling his Sora, I think it's called. So he's selling his Sora here. My iPhone really sucks. This is only an iPhone 6. It's an old piece of junk that hardly works, but all right, let me take delivery of the car. Okay, now is the moment of truth. Here we go. Taking delivery. I'm sitting in this car. This is freaking beautiful. Damn, I can't wait to get home, do a little better review. The silly GoPro died, so shucks, sorry, that's my bad. Anyway, let me talk to Aaron and then we can get going. It's not really friendly for big guys like me, but here it is. All right, well, made it home. Sorry, but the camera died when I was picking up the car. Anyway, today is Friday. I'm gonna do a little better review on Sunday. I may even do some mods on Sunday because I have a pile of parts that I've been stockpiling for the past year. All right, well, this is the car. Okay, so I will check out this car this Sunday. In fact, this Sunday is Father's Day. So of course, my wish is to be left the hell alone. That's never gonna come true. Anyway, I'm gonna work on this Sunday. I'm gonna wash it. I may start messing with the suspension. I may start messing with the motor. I have to plan things out really good because I don't want to spend money unnecessarily. So I'm gonna plan everything out as to how big I want to go with this car, the build, whether or not I want to pull the motor out, do full forged internals, top mount, talking 500 horsepower to the wheels. I don't know. We'll see. We'll cross that road when I get there. I'm gonna put everything out on paper, do a spreadsheet for myself and see what I come up with. All right, that was a quick one for this video. This Sunday will be a full review, so thanks again for sticking around on this project. I will see you guys this Sunday with the next project.